Hi, so today we will be doing the review for the LogicSense S-9220 barcode scanner. So basically your S-9220 is a 1D scanner, so it doesn't work on 2D symbologies or 2D codes like your QR codes and codes like this, and this. But for 1D symbologies and codes such as your code 128, UPC codes, and your code 39, no issues. The S9220 is also a laser barcode scanner. So if you are actually thinking of using this on an electronic screen such as an iPad or mobile phones, it's not gonna work. But if you're just gonna scan barcodes on paper, your NRIC, work permit, work pass, event passes, or even library cards, it will most probably work without any issues. The S9220 barcode scanner actually comes with an attached USB cable. This cable is non-detachable. Once you plug it into the device, the scanner is connected, and it's as easy as that. The scanner also comes with a user manual. This configuration manual allows you to add or hide prefixes, set different configuration settings, languages for your barcode scanner. It has a very comprehensive code database for you to manually configure your scanner. So the S9220 is actually a plug-and-play scanner. So you do not need any sort of CDs or installation softwares to work with it. You can just plug directly to your tablets using a USB OTG cable. So once it's actually connected, you will see that the laser is on. So one thing good about the S9220 is not only does it have the manual trigger function that allows you to scan when you press the trigger, but it also allows you to detect barcodes. So when the barcodes actually come, it will automatically detect itself. So you can... Okay, to fully show you the auto sensing feature of this scanner, I will now set up the stand for this scanner, and you can actually take a look. So this is the platform, the gooseneck, and of course the scanner holder, and it comes with 2 screws that you can use to secure the stand. So the male part of the gooseneck actually goes into the bottom platform, and using the butterfly screw, you will just screw it tight. And now to connect the scanner holder, just slot it in and just put the screw inside. And screw it tight. So okay, this is your scanner stand, and just take note that this front part here is the front facing of the scanner itself, and this back part is the back of the scanner stand. So just slot your scanner in from the top, like so, and stabilize it, and after that, that's it. Normally I recommend an angle of around 45 degrees, not exactly too high like this. Basically something around this line would be a very good angle to be at, which is basically around this angle. So you can see that your scanner is basically around this length. So what happens is, as long as you move a barcode to the line of the you will just scan the barcode, and for work passes and so now you can see that as long as you move something into the line of sight of the barcode scanner, it will scan itself, no issues. And for events, if there's a need to scan any kind of any sort of work passes or anything like that, you can scan it. It's auto sensing, so there's no pressing of the trigger or anything. Yep, so that's your S-9220 for you.